Good day, this is Neil Cooper, and today we are very proud to announce our new initiative, Focus Forward, with the Friends of Photography in Botswana. So this NGO is run by a school teacher, Edwin Morolong, who teaches primary school and high school children the value of photography and teaches them about nature. So by teaching the children about photography and nature, it creates this long-lasting love for nature and empowers them in terms of what they can do in future as a career. We are very proud to be able to do this with them and to support them with our old photography gear. So CNP Safaris decided to do this so we can give back after the years that we've spent in Botswana, also with the guides, etc., but to help create a new generation of these youngsters that need to take nature and the conservation thereof forward. How can you help? We have a donation page on our website. So if you go to cnpsafaris.com, the website, and you look under the media tab, there's a Focus Forward button. So if you click on that, all the detail will be in there in terms of how you can support this great initiative. Basically, they are looking for cameras, lenses, and any photographic accessories. We'll be sending the first batch in the next few weeks. So CNP Safaris will actively be involved with the children as well, and with Edwin. And we will share our nature photography course and any online assistance that we can give them in terms of the editing suites that we use, DxO, Lightroom, and support them that way. So I'm sure if you have a look around your house and open those old drawers, you'll see a lot of photographic equipment in there. So if you've gone over to mirrorless, then you've got a lot of DSLR stuff that has not got a lot of value to you, but for these children, it can be a life-changing gift. So as a donor, you'll get feedback and stories on a regular basis as to how this is helping these children and this initiative. So how can you help further? We are open to any partnerships that can help grow this initiative. We already have a few partners like Botswana Consolidated, Mashumba Photographic Rental in Botswana, Ubuntu, and then obviously CNP Safaris is driving the initiative. But if you would like to take hands with us and support us, please do get in contact with us. We would really value that. So go ahead, dust off all the old camera equipment, and let's get it to these children. Thank you.